If you search ChatGPT Canvas on YouTube right now, you will find a lot of tutorials. Most of them will waste your time. I watched through the noise so you don't have to. Here are the only two videos you will need. But before we get into it, a quick clarification. Because a lot of people hear about ChatGPT Canvas and immediately assume it is something separate from the one they already know. A different app, a different website, some paid upgrade they have to figure out. It is none of those at all. ChatGPT Canvas is not a separate app, it's not a different website or a paid upgrade. It lives right inside the same ChatGPT you already use. Same login, same place, no extra accounts, no downloads, nothing extra. What is different is how you use it. The standard ChatGPT experience is a chat thread. You type at the bottom, responses appear above, you scroll through the conversation, and that is perfect for short prompts, quick answers, and brainstorming. However, when you are working on something longer, the chat format gets really awkward. Reports, lesson plans, emails that need to actually be right. You start copying and pasting and you lose track of versions. You juggle edits across multiple messages. Canvas was built to remove that work friction. So when you open Canvas, your screen splits into two panels. On the left is your conversation with ChatGPT, and on the right is a live editable document. That is where your content lives. And this is where you can make changes. Here is the easiest way to think about it. The chat window is where you talk. Canvas is where you build. In Canvas, you can highlight a paragraph and ask ChatGPT to shorten it, change the reading level, or polish the tone. You can click directly inside the document and type your own edits. And version history is saved. So if an automated change removes something you liked, you can roll back and restore an earlier draft. So to open Canvas, look where you normally type a message and click the plus sign. A menu will appear, choose Canvas, or just type open a canvas and ChatGPT will create one for you. Now, knowing Canvas exists is not the problem. The problem is finding someone who actually teaches it without wasting your time. I went looking as I usually do. Most of what I found was either too superficial, showing buttons without showing a workflow, or so padded with fillers that by the time the teaching started, I had already clicked away. And I picked the two that actually respect your time. Watch these two in order and you will have both the mechanics and the method. My first pick in this episode for the mechanics, ChatGPT Canvas feature explained simply, full tutorial by Promo Ambitions. This one is feature focused and efficient. It shows you how to access Canvas, edit directly in the workspace, use version history, apply the suggest edits tool, adjust length and reading level, use the final polish shortcut, and it even touches the coding side of Canvas. After this video, you will know what Canvas can do and exactly where every tool lives. One viewer who was already using Canvas wrote in the comments, "I didn't know about a lot of the features you described." That is the sign of a thorough teacher. And that is video 1. Second pick, the system. 4 steps to mastering ChatGPT's new Canvas feature by Blazing Zebra. This one is about the workflow. It gives you a repeatable process for going from blank page to finished output, planning, drafting, refining, finalizing, in a way that keeps your process clean and your edits intentional. What makes it useful is that it turns Canvas into something repeatable. So you are not clicking around, wasting your time. You are moving through a structure you can repeat. Lesson plans, scripts, newsletters, SOPs, project plans, whatever you are building. A viewer summed it up perfectly, said, I already have ideas for how to use this with local entrepreneurs. One video already thinking about applying it. And that is your video too. Here's our plan. Watch Promo Ambitions first to learn the interface and every feature. Then watch Blazing Zebra to learn the workflow you can apply immediately. After these two videos, close YouTube, open Canvas, practice. You don't need a long playlist. You need the right two videos and deliberate practice until it becomes muscle memory. Both links are in the description below. Try the features, follow the 4-step process, give yourself time to build the habit. That is what AI and me is built for, not more tutorials, the right ones. Thank you for watching. And if you've not subscribed, please do so. Let me know what tool you would love for me to feature. I will go digging for the best tutorials for it.